Maruti Suzuki Jimny is the most anticipated launch in the Indian automotive space. The arrival of the compact off-road SUV is highly speculated, with rumours pouring regularly. The buzz has been massive so far after it was first showcased in India at the 2020 Auto Expo. The company is now expected to launch the Jimny off-road SUV sometime in July 2022. Ahead of its launch, Maruti Suzuki is expected to showcase the production-ready version of the Jimny 5-door SUV at the 2022 Auto Expo next year. At the time of the showcase, the company could unveil both the 3-door and the 5-door version of the Jimny SUV. Maruti Suzuki is said to be working on a longer 5-door version of the Jimny to suit the Indian buyers. Initially, the company scrapped the reports of Jimny launching in the Indian market. They cited saying the 3-door SUV is impractical and would not have many buyers in the country. However, after the enormous success of the new Gen Mahindra Thar, which is also a 3-door off-road SUV, the company might have reconsidered the launch of the Jimny 3-door version. As mentioned before, the buzz around Jimny's launch has been massive. Off-road enthusiasts and general buyers looking at purchasing a practical SUV is eagerly awaiting the launch of the Maruti Suzuki Jimny. However, the company is yet to confirm launch plans for the upcoming SUV. Adding to the launch speculations are the export operations of the Jimny. The off-road SUV is being assembled at the company's production facility in Gujarat. The SUV is being shipped to Latin American countries such as Colombia and Peru. It is to be noted that only the 3-door version of the SUV is currently being sold across the world. As mentioned before, the 5-door model is currently under development and is yet to be revealed to the world. Ahead of its unveiling, the specs of the upcoming 5-door version of the Jimny has been leaked. The Maruti Suzuki Jimny is currently powered by the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder K-series naturally aspirated petrol engine. It produces a maximum of 101 brake horsepower at 6,000 rpm and a peak torque of 130 Nm at 4,000 rpm. The engine comes mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic torque converter unit. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.